White's challenge here is to win this race to capture. White only has 3 liberties left, and black has 4. So if white occupies liberties from the outside, then it will fail instantly, like this. So white must increase its own liberties. One way to do that is this, but it doesn't work here, because black can play at 2 and 4, and white will be 1 liberty short, like this. What white has to do here is to make use of this cutting point, actually. We'll see how this cutting point will factor into this race to capture. White's first move is this. This gives white a little bit of eye space. Black has a few choices now. A, B, C, and D. Let's look at the 2-1 points first. If black plays here, then white should cover from this side. If black plays this, white has only 2 liberties left. But what white can do is either this or this. If black stands down here, now white should cut, so black cannot come in here. And we'll take black 2 moves to remove number 7. And as black does that, white will win by 1 liberty. This will be similar, because when black plays here, white can cut. Black must capture number 7 first, because black cannot come in here. And now white will be able to capture black, like this. So that's number 2 at B19. What about A18, the other 2-1 points? This is trickier. If white plays this, then there is the possibility of a really annoying ko, although this ko seems to be pretty bad for black. But it is possible. White will cut, and this will be a ko. It's an approach ko for black, meaning black cannot win immediately. Even if white plays away, black still needs 1 more move to really trigger the ko. So not a great ko, but it is not pleasant for white either. So to guard against this possibility, white should play this move. Here, number 3. Now black must connect. If black cuts, then white can capture black this way. And this will be disastrous for black. Black will all die here. So black's number 4 must connect here. And now white can play this. It'll be something like this. In the end, black cannot come in from either side. And white will be able to capture black, like this. So that's number 2 at A18. What about these 2 bending moves? If black plays here, then white will just play this. Black cannot play this, right? Otherwise, white will either capture these 3 stones, or it'll make 2 real eyes. There'll be no more capture race. So black must play this. Now white captures. Black connects, and white can play this move. If black occupies the liberty from the outside, then this will be a real eye versus no eye situation. If black occupies the liberty from within, it will be a similar result. Black will be 1 liberty short. Lastly, if black bends from this side, white will once again play here. If black ataris, white captures. This will once again be a situation where black cannot come in from either side. And white will be able to win this race to capture, like this. If black plays here, then once again, white can just capture, and the result will be the same. Black plays here, white will just connect, and there will be no ko. So these are all the main variations for this pattern. It's not a very difficult pattern, but the variations can get a little tricky. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to hear from you. Thank you for watching.